Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the depths of programming to bring you the most comprehensive tutorials. Today we're tackling a fascinating subject, building advanced TypeScript generics for scalable component design in React. You might wonder, why should you care about TypeScript generics? Well, mastering this topic will enable you to create highly scalable and reusable React components, essential for any large-scale application. Imagine building components that can handle any data type without sacrificing type safety. This is the power of TypeScript generics in React. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to leverage these tools to enhance your project significantly. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of technology. Let's delve into the theory behind TypeScript generics and their application in React. Generics in TypeScript allow you to create components and functions that are not limited to a single data type. This means you can write more flexible and reusable code. Think of it like a blueprint for a house that can adapt to different sizes and shapes without compromising its structure. When you combine this with React, you enable your components to handle various data structures efficiently. For example, a single form component can handle multiple types of inputs, making your application more dynamic and scalable. This approach not only saves time, but also reduces errors, as TypeScript static typing catches potential issues during development rather than at runtime. Now, let's look at a practical example to understand how this works in code. We'll focus on the generic list component. This component demonstrates how to use TypeScript generics to create a list that can render any type of data. Here, we define an interface list props with a generic type T, which allows the component to accept an array of any type, along with a render item function that specifies how to render each item. This setup ensures that the component can handle any data structure you throw at it, making it highly reusable across different parts of your application. Let's see this in action. Imagine navigating to our application where an engaging user interface awaits. As you interact with the form, you enter a user's name and age. Once submitted, the form captures these inputs and logs them, showcasing how the generic form component handles dynamic data input. Meanwhile, the user list updates to display the new entry alongside existing ones, demonstrating the generic list component's flexibility. You can see firsthand how these components work together seamlessly, providing a robust solution for managing user data in a React application. In conclusion, understanding and applying TypeScript generics in your React projects can significantly enhance your ability to build scalable, maintainable applications. By adopting these techniques, you not only improve your code's robustness, but also streamline the development process. We hope this tutorial has been enlightening and encourages you to explore these concepts further. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we continue to provide valuable content that accelerates your learning journey. With each video, you'll gain insights and skills that are directly applicable to your professional endeavors, keeping you ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape.